guys, welcome back to RC311 Studios, where we do RC product reviews, and once a week we give that one lucky subscriber the chance to win the product that we're giving away. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and also don't forget to share the video and give it a big thumbs up. Comments in the comments box below. The reason it's so important to subscribe, because when we give a product away, it is to that one lucky subscriber. Right guys, today we're bringing to you the Lamborghini Veneno. It's brought to you from Gear GMAZ. It's a 1/16 scale product, RC product, and its recommended age is 6+ years of age. It's functions forwards, right and left, backwards, right and left. And what they're saying is it actually has got working suspension. It's 40 megahertz, so not sure if you'll get any interference, not guaranteed. But we are going to run them together because we've got another one, and just see how they perform and if they do give any interference. We picked this up from Argos, so if you are in the UK, check it out. We paid £30 for the two instead of £40. So we picked each model up for £15 each, where they should have been £20 each. Guys, what we'll do, we've brought you the basic information so far. We'll do a quick unboxing, then I'll do a test and a small review at the end. Like I said, if you need any more information on the product, drop your comments in the comments box below and I'll get straight back to you guys. Right guys, let's get straight into an unboxing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Right guys, after that very quick unboxing, this is actually what you get in the box. You get the car itself, the Lamborghini Veneno, you get the hand controller, metal aerial to improve the signal, and an instruction manual. And the instruction manual is printed in decent size print, so it's easy enough to read. We'll put that aside because it is quite a basic model. As before said, it's a 1/16 scale. Looks extremely detailed. They've said it's got functioning front lights. Not sure about the back. Although it's locked at the rear, it does have workable suspension, but that is locked. So if you push the one side down, the other wheel will go up. Where the front suspension is independent of each other, as you can see. Lovely little feature. Left and right trims. If it's pulling to the right, trim it to the left, and vice versa. Right, we're going to get straight into this, guys. Battery cover at the back, safety screw, Phillips screwdriver. Let's undo that. What is required in the back of the the underneath of the car is 5 AA batteries. Guys, like I always say, make sure that they're fresh batteries so you don't have an underperforming product. Right, we're going to drop 5 brand new AA batteries into the back of the car. Or I should say the underneath of the car. Pop those in, ready to go. Battery cover just slots straight back in, clips in, and then we do the safety screw up. And that's pretty much the car is ready to go. On off switch just below the battery cover, onto the right, and left is off. So we'll leave it in the off position, put the car down there. As far as the hand controller, like I said before, it's 40 megahertz, so if it's running with different frequencies, as in 27 megahertz, you won't have any interference. But if there's other 40 megahertz models being ran in the area, you may get some interference or overhead lines, etc. Right, so we pop the cover off at the back. There's a red ribbon to assist you when you want to actually remove, and it takes a 9-volt battery. As you can see illustrated within the battery cover itself, the battery compartment, it shows you negative is the bigger part of the battery and positive. So just place that inside and always pull the ribbon out to the side, because that's going to assist you when you want to remove the 9-volt battery. And then just pop the battery cover back on. Put that in place and do up the safety screw. The last thing we need to do is just drop in the metal aerial. As you can see, the top of the hand controller, that's going to improve the signal. And it does extend, but we don't need to extend it right now. And also guys, when you are extending it, make sure that you push it down from the bottom and not from the top. If you do push it down from the top, there's a chance that you may bend the aerial. Right guys, on off switch on the hand controller is in the middle. Turn that on, red LED light shows that it's working. I can only assume once the battery starts to get low, that will flash to indicate low battery. The car, as I said, move it over to the right, and hopefully the car is on. Let's test that. Yeah, so only rear wheel drive, and look, the lights do come on. Tail lights, doesn't have. Alright guys, we're going to run this on all different surfaces and bring you some footage of it actually running. Right, let's get straight to some action. Right guys, to wrap up the review, we had no interference whatsoever running both the Veneno and the Aventador. What we found is the Veneno was slightly quicker, but equally the Aventador had a plus side that it had rear working tail lights. Both the vehicles were on point with detailing and ran faultlessly. Guys, don't forget to check the rest of the video out because the final little bit of footage is some cinematic footage caught on my Mavic Pro Drone, so please check that out. And guys, once again, thanks for joining us, and catch us on the next product review and product giveaway. Take care, guys.